Yo, yo, yo! Today we go from looking good to looking fabulous. Whoa! We have a beautiful young lady looking for that fabulous white smile. We are looking to lengthen the upper front teeth, improve the height, width proportions on the front side teeth, and give our patient a nicer smile curve, okay? Upon closer inspection, we can see that the gum line between the two front teeth is asymmetrical, and that the upper front side teeth, okay, these two, are sticking out in the arch curvature. So, before we proceeded with veneers, I actually made a couple of clear liners myself for this patient in order to gently maneuver the left-hand side front tooth upwards into the bone. By doing this, we can actually move the gum line upwards, okay? Achieving slightly more symmetry at the gum line between the two front teeth. So, we then proceeded with the Smile Design Smile Preview, showcasing a natural style with additional length for the upper front teeth. I noticed a very slight slope in the Smile Preview and made sure that the final result would not have the slope. Patient gave me informed consent and I prepared the teeth for veneers, okay? For this case, I cleared the contact between the upper front teeth to ensure that the front side teeth would no longer stick out. As you can see, I barely prepared the teeth at all. Super gentle, super light, okay? We always try in the real veneers before cementing them on, and only when the patient is 110% happy do I cement the real veneers on, all right? Okay? Everything is clean and the gums are looking great as well. Wonderful. We can see that the back surface of all the veneers, okay, are joined smoothly with the natural healthy teeth, and the front side teeth are no longer sticking out in the arch curvature. So, the whole process from the start to maneuvering the gum line upwards on the left-hand side front tooth and then onto the real veneers. And most importantly, a fabulous smile for our beautiful young lady. Thanks for watching. Thank you to my patient. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to work with you. Please like, subscribe and follow. Fabulous Smiles, Volume 38 with Dr. Richard.